Now we need to ask a question of our code. Currently, we say variable age is equal to whatever the person inputs. Now, age is going to be equal something. What I want to do is I want to ask them, essentially, are they older than 21? And if they are older than 21, I can let them into the bar. Now, taking variables is all fine and dandy, but we have to ask a question of a variable. Is this variable greater or equal to? Is the password correct? So the way you do that in programming is an easy concept. We say if. So if this thing is true, do this. So there are a couple sections to this in JavaScript. The first is the command if. So if whatever is inside of these parentheses is true, execute whatever is inside of these angle braces. So let's try this out. If grass is equal to grass. Alert, grass is grass. I'm going to go ahead and comment out this line. If you want to know a shortcut for commenting in Sublime, you could press Command forward slash if you're on an Apple computer, or Control forward slash if you are on a Windows computer. So I went ahead and commented out the first line. So this is going to say if grass equals to grass, alert something. So I'm going to go ahead and reload this page, and it says grass is grass. Now, usually when we set an equal sign, we are declaring something. If I go ahead and put a variable right here, we say variable x is equal to green. Now, one equal sign is the assignment operator. It says take whatever is on the right-hand side and drop it inside whatever is on the left-hand side. However, two equals is a bit different. Two equals says, are these things equal to each other? So this is saying is if grass equal to grass, then do this. Now there are a couple other things we could do. So in order to show you that, I'm going to bring back our initial example. I'm going to say age equals prompt, pardon me, what is your age? So if age is greater than 21, you can drink. So let's try that. I'm going to head over here and I'm going to reload this page and it says, pardon me, what's your age? I'm indeed 29. You can drink. Now, in order to test this, let me go ahead and put in a number that's under 29. Pardon me, what is your age? 1. Well, that's not quite good enough. I want to say, if the person is greater than 21, do this, or else do something else. Say you can't come into the bar if you're not old enough. So let's try this. Else. So if the age is greater than 21, you can drink. Otherwise, we tell them to leave. So let's try it. What is your age? 12. Go get ice cream. So this else is saying if this if statement is not true. Now, there are a number of things you can do with an if statement. You can say two equals for equality. You could say exclamation equal for it's not equal. Three equals in JavaScript is a bit confusing, but basically it means both things are the same object. So if you ever wanted to read more about that, you can go ahead and Google that, but that's a little bit out of the scope of this class. A less than sign is simply that if the thing is less than the other, less than or equal to, greater than or greater than equal to. Now also, you can do a couple other things. You could say and or. So I could say if age is 21 and grass is equal to grass. Or alternatively, I can say or. So if this is true and this is true. So both have to be true. Now, in addition, I can also do if else or else if rather. So if age is equal to 21, I'm going to say greater than 21, I could say you can drink. Else, if age is equal to 21 exactly, we'll say alert, happy birthday. Welcome on in. Otherwise, say go get ice cream. Let's try this out. What is your age? 1, go get ice cream. What is your age? 21, happy birthday. And what is your age? 29, you can drink. So all 3 of these work. And just know that you can use all of these operators inside of conditionals.